Have you ever pondered the extraordinary outcome when the frontier of technology intertwines with the tapestry of your creative imagination? Today we embark on a remarkable journey where artificial intelligence breathes life into your artistic visions in a unique and revolutionary way. Brace yourselves for an enthralling experience that marries the power of AI with your creative prowess. In this vast universe where technology and creativity collide, there's a dimension known as Domoai.app. This realm holds the secret to transforming your creative ideas into enthralling anime-style videos with just a few clicks. Venture into the virtual landscape of Domoai.app, where every detail takes precedence. From the delicate intricacies of character expressions to the vibrant backdrop of your animated cosmos, this platform takes your vision and infuses life into it, pixel by pixel. However, as with any epic adventure, there are obstacles to overcome. The real challenge commences when you set off on your quest to create an anime masterpiece. Prepare yourself to face the trials of unleashing your creativity and witnessing it spring to life in a manner you've never envisioned. But wait, there's a plot twist. Domoai.app introduces a unique element by integrating with Discord. Here, you can join a community of creators, share your progress, and partake in a collaborative journey where creativity knows no bounds. Your active participation forms the crux of this narrative. Navigate to the Generate Video section, type /video, and upload your content. Add a simple prompt like "make it anime style," and behold the magic unfold before your very eyes. Engage with fellow creators on the Discord server, exchange ideas, and witness an array of animated wonders. Now that you've experienced the enchanting spectacle of AI transforming your ideas into animated reality, it's time to seize the moment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AI-powered content and tutorials. Share your thoughts, join the community, and be a part of this AI animated odyssey. Stay tuned, stay creative, and let the art of AI animation inspire you.